Forex trading can be an exciting and potentially profitable endeavor, but with great opportunity comes great risk. Many traders have lost large sums of money in the Forex market due to lack of knowledge, experience, and risk management skills. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the risks of trading Forex and how to protect yourself from potential losses. You'll learn about the common mistakes that traders make. So sit back, grab a notebook and pen, and let's dive in. 1. Market risk. The Forex market is highly volatile, and exchange rates can fluctuate rapidly in response to economic, political, and other factors. This can result in significant losses if a trade goes against a trader's expectations. 2. Leverage risk. Forex brokers offer leverage, which allows traders to trade with larger positions than they would be able to with their own capital. While this can amplify potential profits, it also increases the risk of losses, as even small price movements can result in significant losses. 3. Counterparty risk. Forex trading involves counterparty risk, which is the risk that a trading partner may default on their obligations, such as failing to deliver currency or funds as agreed. 4. Liquidity risk. The Forex market is a decentralized market, and liquidity can vary depending on the time of day and other factors. This can result in higher spreads and slippage, which can affect the profitability of trades. 5. Operational risk. There is always a risk of technical issues, such as platform crashes or connectivity problems, which can disrupt trading and result in losses. 6. Regulatory risk. Forex trading is subject to regulatory oversight, and changes in regulations or policies can affect the profitability of trades. It's important for traders to carefully manage these risks by setting stop-loss orders, limiting leverage, and diversifying their portfolio. Traders should also choose a reputable Forex broker and stay informed about market conditions and news that can affect currency prices. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the risks involved in Forex trading. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Remember, with careful planning, education, and risk management, you can reduce the chances of incurring significant losses in the Forex market. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your Forex trading endeavors.